We're going to Lady Mary's Walk. Sorry, I'm eating apple.
Me too.
What time you start?
Yeah, nice, huh?
Red apple. Inside red. Pinkish. Water is so clear. Guys, this is what I see in the picture. But of course, it's still green because it just started the autumn. I want my money back. Huy! It's really nice when it's autumn because imagine that's all will come back in a month time. Yeah? What?
You've been holiday.
Ah, we are not here, di ay. So we will miss it. So it's really nice. Yeah, this is what I saw in the picture, Dad. Online. Look at here, David. Smile. Garaon, tiguangan eh. So muna siya nice. We will make a page for you or Facebook or YouTube. We will title it Afam nga Garaon. Ha? Afam is like a foreigner, boyfriend or husband. Wow, amazing. That's the water. Ah, you know, before that, we went that way and the water is in our left.
People have been going down there.
See the trees, guys? They are very funny because look at the trees in there. There's a hole. Look, it looks like funny. Hala, hala, Dad. It's a bad hole, Dad. Ay, kadakos bangag. Ah, maybe, Dad. Ah, so we are high up here because before we walk in there. I remember that. We walk in at the bottom bit there where the water is. Madayon ta sa apam nga sifat. Ay, anaon na nang nako. Afam nga sifat. Ako din magbuhat og buhatan ako na siya og page di ay ang iyahang Facebook himo na kong afam nga sifat niya. Siya na din mag-upload kabuang niya. Ah, we can go circular, Dad. We can go down here, Dad. Ah, look. Hello, Dad. I want to go in the bottom bit. Look at the water. Wow. Murag ka na pakitag tubig. Keep going na lang, keep going. And then we'll see how far will it take us. Yeah, we'll go back that way. Sige. At the bottom is very green. Oh, nice. And there's water also. So we are at the top bit. Tugnaw, Dad, no? We can feel the cold because cliff is higher. It's highland, of course. So my nose is very cold. Look. Ah, see that guy, Dad? If we keep going, David, we ended up in this road. Look. You know, after the bridge. Yeah, but why? What's in here? What's that?
That's metal, isn't it?
Really? Well, it's very nice. Can I stand in the big? I'm gonna.
You're not getting this, are
Wow.
you? This is a page. Look.
What's page?
Oh.
Tignan ko sa kong ilong eh. What is that? A book.
Yeah, it's like a piece of paper
And then you have to.
that's been on here, but then the wind's taking it up. And that's a leaf and a seal. But I don't know what this is. It's very unusual.
But just got the bottom bit. So we keep going, guys. We're expecting to go at the bottom bit. Danger.
Of the, yeah, because of the crack.
Live wires. It says live wire. There's no wire there. Have you seen wire?
I found that.
I found the wire in my throat. Okay! Oh my gosh!
What?
It's in my nose.
What?
Branch! It's bleeding.
Yeah,
Sakita. Uy, it just dropped in my nose.
how do you put a plaster on a branch?
My nose is very tiny and short, but why it hit by the... because it's flat, no?
But the chances of that happening.
Why that? Because it's flat.
Yeah, your nose.
Your nose ka karon.
It's wider to hit everything.
Flat.
Instead of being like that, it's like that. And like that.
Because it's wide, mango, the
Yeah,
nose.
it's wide.
Wow. See, we are really at the bottom. Dad, can we keep going straight and then back left? Wala, very nice, no? You can really see the wa'a. There's a wa'a in here, wa'a. My dog. So guys, muna siya ang Lady Mary's Walk. Can we walk a bit and then we go to the left and keep going and that's how we go out. We can go circular, yeah? No, maybe no.
There's no plaque in there.
Huh? No, in there ba? In the left. Huy. Dad. Dahig ulon, barok. Nice jud kayo. Stand in there, be kay picturean ta kadali. Okay. Okay, jump in the bridge.
No, it's too high. Too high for me to jump.
That is very nice, Dad.
What?
The view. I will just keep going and then we'll back. How we will go back. We will see what's in there. We'll just be nosy.
We'll go back.
Yeah, go and then we go
Come to here, we'll
to the water. Yeah, we go to the bottom bay. It's very nice, guys. Dad, can you hold this and then go and then take me picture, huh? You know how to do that? That's video, huh? Like that. Like
Alright.
that, and then click
Yeah.
that one. And then, not yet.
But I'm not got all your body in. Yeah. No? Of course I did.
Don't go in the ground. We're still taking videos. Video. Nice, Dad, no? You know, Dad, can we come back here when it is autumn? Look.
Yeah, November.
Autumn. When the trees are really orange na ba? In November? Nice kaayo, basta green, no?
I don't want to see. I want to leave fell already.
We'll just cut the end and come back, ha? Kaya we don't know where it takes you. Madagma. Wala ko ag video. That's where we walk in the other side, Dad. With Ate Dwayne, that's where we walk from there, ba? From there. No, from there. That's where we walk because the water is in our left side.
This is our left side.
No, no, no. Left, that going that way, man. See, where there. And then remember the dog? The dog has been swimming there and back again. So we come from there because their house is there.
Now
That side, yeah.
House is over there.
But you can keep going. So it's a circular really, to be honest.
Yeah, really.
It is lagi. Because if you go there, ask this guy. Nice kayo. Nag-fishing siya, dad. Ah, picture. Nice kayo. Nice ang view. Ask that guy gani, dad. He will tell you if it's circular. You can go around it.
I'm not going to ask him because he's running.
He can stop for a second, no?
No. I'll ask him if he's running. Don't have to stop running. What to ask your friend then? Is this a circular round? No.
It goes all the way round.
All
and
right.
then it finishes off not far from where we probably came in.
Thank you. Goes all the way around.
But it takes a while, ages.
Yeah, but we're not going to do that.
So what you gonna do? Basta mga runner, di gina sila ma-stop. Kaya nga no, kuan man, ma-spoil ilang run. Say for the runners, they won't stop, dad, no? Yeah, but we're just asking questions though. Yeah, but it's just a few steps, you know, he stopped. Ah, maa. That's maa. It doesn't maa. Cool. Cool and green. Video. Grabe, the trees are very nice looking. Look. Look at that. Look. Nice view in here. Especially when the sun is out. We go circular walk.